Hello, welcome to the Veganist Pro Show. Today I'm going to be showing you what I start with my day with every day. Nutritionally packed smoothie. Straight for breakfast, perfect. Here we have 51 grams of protein. That's enough for the day. Who says you don't get enough protein when you're a vegan? Massive banana. We don't need all that banana. It's too much. I'll have a little bit of that later. Air-dried raspberries. Lovely, very tasty, quite a concentrated flavour. Goji berries, the absolute master. Loads of omega-3, all 8 amino acids. Organic almonds, hemp seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, which are just beautiful. And these are uncooked, soaked chickpeas. They don't taste fantastic, but they're very good for you, and there's loads and loads of protein and other stuff in there. I don't want to always go about protein, but I suppose that's the myth, isn't it? People think you don't get enough protein if you're a vegan. Not true. So, let's make the smoothie. 3/4 of a massive banana. Gojis. Get those in. I get the things in first that are quite hard to liquidize, because then I make a puree with some of the liquid, and then I'll add the things that are easy to dissolve, like both the seeds, the hemp, all 3 seeds, hemp seeds are seeds as well, and the raspberries, and then we'll finish with the liquid. Start with a little bit here. Hopefully there's not going to be massive splashback on the camera. Okay, so start slow, rise up. So now I've made a puree, and then I'll slowly add the rest of the liquid, which will make it light and fluffy, almost like a light fluffy milkshake. Nice. Alright, milkshake done. Smoothie, whatever you like to call it. Personally, I don't care what a smoothie or a milkshake tastes like, as long as my body is getting the nutrients that it needs. So anyway, but this hopefully will taste nice. I hope the chickpeas aren't too overpowering. Saved a little bit of raspberry for sprinkles. It's nice and airy, I can hear it. Oh, look at that, beautiful. I haven't had a run this evening, but in the morning I have my run, and then I have my shake when I come back. And as long as you're having your minerals and vitamins and sources of food within an hour and a half after your exercise, you're all good. Tastes great. Full of nutrients. Everything your body needs for breakfast. Everything else after that is a bonus. Thank you for joining us on the Vegan Pro Show. Main focuses are veganism and health. Everything on this show is going to be super healthy. And you'll learn so much about what the body needs over the next year. Thank you, love you, goodbye, ciao.